copy first your ID in the game, and then after you copied, go forward towards the link of the item redeem, and I'll include the link down below so that you'll be aware which link will you go. And then after you copy your ID, go towards the link and then include there in the username your ID in the game. And then the next one is the redeem code, which is battle1104. When you're back in the game, check your mailbox and there you will see an orange skill book, 3 lucky stone 1, and 7 wonder dust. I hope that you may find this helpful. So sending you all peace, love and light. Bye!